I have here an air purifier. I'm going to show you the bottom, how to open it up. And inside, it has the charging cord and the filter. So you'll want to make sure you take those parts out before you use it. I just plugged in the air purifier and now I'm going to show you how easy it is to work it. So you push the power button to turn it on. Then you push this one for the fan speed. Then this one is for the timer of how long you would like to keep it on. And then this is the light to turn on and to turn off. And also you can, has a soothing sound, so it shouldn't bother you if you want to keep it on while you sleep, which is really nice. This air purifier works really great if you've got pets in the house, or if you've got kids running around, or if they're bringing things into the house, or if you have allergies. And it's also really easy to clean the filter out because it pops out really easy and you can clean it yourself. I really like it that it can fit into small spaces, great for small rooms, or wherever you want to put it. I really like it.
Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this air purifier by Purivortex. So let's check it out. First thing, it comes with instructions. And then here is the actual purifier. I love the design of it. It's very simple. So the charger looks like it's inside the box. I'm not sure how to open. It says turn the bottom counterclockwise. There we go. Ah, there's the charger. Okay, so it's the actual, like the air purifier with the fan part right here. Here's the filter. So it says to take this off, reinstall this, obviously without the charger on the inside. And then, close it. There we go. So let's see how it works. So this is pretty cool. It's got 3 different fan settings and 3 different timer settings, and then you can turn the light on or off. So you can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours.